always had a passion for cars and tinkering and keeping my hands busy and whatnot. I really enjoyed my study experience with Box Hill because they really took an in-depth approach and showed me exactly what I'd be walking into in the industry.
So we not only train them, we talk to them about what is needed to actually thrive in the world of work in the automotive sector. The essence of the program is really to work with dealers to be able to take our auto students, our Certificate 2 students, and find them jobs.
I really enjoy working at Ringwood Nissan. They give me a lot of different projects to work on. They've really showed me the ropes of what this whole industry is about. The people here, the workers, it's like one big community. We all help each other out and they've been really helpful with me. I'd just say, yeah, go for it, like 100%. It's awesome working in the automotive industry.